event. I'm so happy to be here participating and especially moderating this next session, which is going to be very exciting. A lot of cool science, but also very near and dear to my heart. A little bit of background. I'm on the faculty here. I'm in the chemistry department, and I'm also the director of an institute called Sarafan ChEM-H, where ChEM-H is an acronym that stands for Chemistry, Engineering, and Medicine, that's the chem, for human health, and that's the H. So our institute supports molecular science, broadly defined here at Stanford, including many of the researchers that are involved in the Human Performance Alliance, and some of whom are here with us today during this event. The molecular scale, in my mind, is the scale of biology at which all the work happens. And for those of you outside of the sciences, it might be helpful to sort of think about the scale at which we study the human body. On the one hand, we study the human body at the level of organs and tissues, how muscles function, how bones behave mechanically, and so on and so forth. Then, when you bring the scale down to the smaller level, you might study how the human body works at the cellular level, right? How the cells of the muscle, the cells of the brain, right? The cells of the immune system, how these cells all function in an integrated system. But then if you shrink it even further, you get to the molecules. And to me, as a chemist, this is where the action really happens. The molecules are the proteins, the nucleic acids, the lipids, the fats, the sugars, the amino acids, all the metabolites. These are the molecules that are basically changing as we exercise, as we strength train, and they're the molecules that can lead to things going south, to inflammation, to deterioration. So this panel is going to focus on some amazing science practiced by a variety of both faculty and postdocs and students, which all share the common theme of molecular science of athletics.